Where are we going?
Washington State. Connor had 5 cocktails today.
A lot of lies.
I like how everything is organized. I like a department store.
Oh, there's a stadium.
I think T-Mobile Park. We survived the drive from the airport to Seattle. And what restaurant are we at right now?
We're at a restaurant called Norin. So tomorrow we are going downtown and exploring Seattle. That's pretty much it.
Put it closer together.
Where are we going?
We're going downtown. We are currently here, Aurora Village, and we're gonna go boop, 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 all the way down to Virginia Street.
Oh,
We
nice.
can't escape Virginia.
Cannot escape it.
Yeah, should take like 35 minutes. And then later we can take the bus to go up to the Space Needle, which is somewhere in
Somewhere,
this.
it's like over there.
Also can't escape Capitol Hill.
Never.
Next stop, North 65th Street.
Copy? I know how the mic on. Hey, I'd like to get a small black sesame hazelnut latte, please.
Alright. Doing that one hot today?
Is it better hot or iced?
I think that one works really well both ways.
Okay, I'll do iced, please.
Ice, cool. And regular milk, okay?
Yeah,
Cool. Anything else?
that's it.
Alright.
Let's go look at the ocean. The sea? The ocean.
I think the ocean.
The water.
The water.
Ooh, a burp. The water.
You're not tall enough.
Hey guys. Today we went to Monorail Coffee and Olympia Coffee, or Olympia Roasters. Olympia was like located in like the lobby of a hotel kind of thing, but the lobby looked so pretty, like Restoration Hardware, and as Connor said, Restoration Hardware and Steampunk had a baby. I got a iced black hazelnut latte. I think it's okay.
Here's the place.
Thank you. It's a little watery, but maybe that's because it's iced. However, my earlier coffee from Monorail, Black Witch, I don't know what it is. I just ordered it. That one was also iced, but it tasted so smooth and rich and creamy. And they said that all of their coffee is, what was it, ristretto?
Double shot ristretto.
Double shot ristretto. I would definitely go back to that one.
And it was like a hole in the wall kind of spot, so it was pretty fun.
Yeah, you only take it to go, and they have like some seats outside you can sit in.
And then in Pike Place, we went and got apple cider. So this is raspberry and lavender apple cider.
The guy had a whole setup of what, like 12 maybe different flavors of apple cider that you could try. Sour
Just kept
apple.
pulling all of them.
Yeah, sour apple, watermelon, peach. Really good flavors. This is like a main purchase.
So we were like aiming for this all the time.
Yes.
Before even
Smoked
coming.
garlic pepper pink sip. The first time I had this was at Connor's place because his sister brought it back from Seattle.
Probably from the same store, too.
Yeah, because the packaging. Wait,
Yeah.
no, hers was dark blue.
No, this is the exact same one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Anyways, so good. And I was reading the description for this fish, and apparently it's like the most mild. It's very light and tender. So I can't wait. And then at 8 p.m. tonight, we're going to Meat Korean Barbecue.
Now we're at Luke's Lobster. We got a flight,
A seafood one.
seafood roll flight. This one,
Is shrimp with
no, that's crab. Oh my god. Yeah, that one's the crab.
shrimp with spicy honey butter.
Yeah, that one's
These
lobster.
You have like regular lemon.
Yeah, which is lobster and then crab. Which one should I try? Oh, okay. It's very fresh. And now to try the lobster. Also really good.
I like being able to eat this stuff without having to peel it or like
Yeah.
break the shell.
Yeah. How's it? Yeah, like
Impressive
good.
they were able to get such a big piece of lobster.
That's what I'm saying.
And it's
Straight from
absolutely
the claw.
delicious. Absolutely delicious. Oh, the logo is so cute. The lobster.
Lobster.
Yeah, cotton parquet. Do you taste the honey?
It's subtle, but yeah.
Pickle test. Not very crunchy. Are you a pickle lover?
Not usually. I don't love pickles. I've never understood people who just they like open the fridge, go
Grab a
straight from the
pickle?
jar. As a chaser, pickle juice, I was a hater, but it works incredibly well. You taste like
Strong.
it washes alcohol straight away. Like, it's so good, so effective at it. So I quite like
Pickleback,
it.
right?
I don't know what it's called.
I think it was pickleback.
Pickleback, that makes sense.
Which one was your favorite?
Lobster.
Yeah.
Lobster and then the shrimp actually. Oh, sorry, and then the crab and then yeah, and then the shrimp and then the crab. Give us your best sea otter impression if you were like open that. Next up,
Space Needle.
alright, this is my perspective. Okay, and then here's cats.
This is what I see.
Happy dogs.
That boat there right now is reminding me of Milos.
No, there was like one that one morning. That one sailboat like that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. What traits do you think you've gotten from Pup? Or has Pup gotten those traits from you?
My intolerance
He's
for certain things.
But you're not hiding anywhere.
And I think from me, he got his posing abilities.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful being able to see the silhouette of the mountains too.
Yeah. That was one of the coolest plane views
Yeah.
coming in. It was like the rolling hills.
It beat Denver.
Yeah, straight out of a calligraphy
You're
painting.
gonna kick the bug.
I just hit it with my thumb by accident.
You can see the moon right now too.
Oh wow. That's cool. It's a bunny. I don't know if you can see that. Very cute.
Smaller bun. Look, this is like the 15-20 feet trend. Or the 51-20 or whatever. Ana Cortez! Priorities: allergy relief, Funyuns, and salted caramel twigs. Onto the boat. Good evening. It is 10 and we're at communion for dinner. Cheers. Yummy. Good. We're in Mount Rainier. We're hiking. Mount Rainier. This first part has all been uphill and I'm tired.
Yeah, it's over there.
Eh?
Over there.
Oh, how much it is?
Right there. Somewhere there.
Running is so not my strong suit. To go, I think around this mountain. Whew.
That's locked. Oh, this is creepy. Okay, we got Molly tea.
We made it to Molly Tea. So first, we got on the wait list, and the guy was like, sorry, it's a 2.5 hour wait. And I was like, does that mean you're not adding more people? He's like, no, I'm just apologizing in advance.
It's also 48 minutes after they open at 5.
Yeah, their website says that people will line up as early as 30 minutes before opening just to get on the wait list. And we're number 15.
2.5 hour wait.
Yeah, out of 22 people. Yeah, so after we put our names down, we went to Molly Tea, and Connor got a matcha jasmine salted cheese, and I got a peach tieguanying oolong milk tea.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
And now we have to chug it because we're going to Nana's green tea
Which is right over there.
for more.
Oh, we're in Bellevue. I forgot if we mentioned. Welcome to Bellevue. Cat.
Hey. So we went to Nana's green tea, and I'm pretty sure they have one in New York. We got a matcha float. So it was matcha green tea latte with a scoop of matcha ice cream and like 3 little mochi balls. I think I would have preferred a lower level of sweetness, but the matcha ice cream was really, really good. Very solid.
That was good.
Yeah, and paired with the mochi, it's delicious. I think if I go to Nana again, I'd probably just do an ice cream dessert instead of a drink.
Yeah, they gave us a test of ube soft serve, and that was actually very, very good. But it didn't strike me like it was anything particularly special versus other matcha shops. So between Molly and Nana, I think I prefer Molly.
Yeah, also Molly tea, the flavor of the matcha was really good.
Yeah.
Like it was noticeably better than any other matcha shop.
Yeah.
Or any other like beverage dessert shop that sells matcha.
That I tried. Yeah. We made it. Yes. What? We got the katsukoi udon, and the sauce is made with Royce chocolate. Wow, that's really good.
Taste the chocolate?
No. Wait, don't react.
It's really good. Very flavorful, but light. I also don't taste the chocolate, but maybe that's a good thing.
Well, yeah, probably. But it's like rich.
It's very rich. It's very delicious. And then we got a salad because I'm craving greens. It's also very good. Steamed egg? Steamed egg or tofu?
Yeah, steamed egg, yeah.
Very good steamed egg. First, let's try katsu. Katsu slice. As expected.
Amazing.
Stunning. Okay, now we're trying udon. A singular noodle.
Oh. It was perfect, but...
Very good. Good choice.